about the network marketing industry. This industry is the trend of the 21st century. Now everybody is going for network marketing, especially when there is a lot of chaos and lot of job insecurities, business insecurities, stock markets are crashing. Network marketing is one of the safest and the best thing to do. One of the network marketing industries in which I am working right now is QNet. QNet is a very strong company and it promises a lot and a very rewarding future. We have around 7.9 million people right now working for QNet. It is one of the best network marketing companies and one of the strongest. I'm very happy to join QNet because in this couple of months that I have been in QNet, I have really been rewarded and I have seen the benefits, both the income and the products. First of all, I would like to tell you what the big people are saying about network marketing industry. Bill Gates, he endorses network marketing. He says in the 21st century and in the future, network marketing will be the only thing which will lead a person to success. Bill Clinton, the ex-president of America, also endorses network marketing. And of course, Robert Kiyosaki. He is always talking about network marketing and how people really benefit from this industry. His famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is an example of that. He talks how the poor dad, his poor dad, which was his own dad, was telling him about getting education and getting a degree and then finding a job and just going on with your life. But the rich dad told him many other things, the smarter things of life. And one of them, network marketing. So folks, when I joined network marketing, in the beginning when I was shown the plan, I was happy. There was no catch. There was nothing to be doubtful about. Everything was very clear, especially in this company, QNet, the QNet company. Everything is very clear, very organized, very ethical. So I joined immediately. And after that, I thought to myself, now how do I invite other people? I found a little bit of resistance inside myself, a little bit of fear, thinking that what if people reject me? What if people say no? What am I going to do? Little bit of doubt. And then I remembered one of my meditation books, which I had read. I'm in meditation from a long time and I've been doing Raj Yoga. So in one of my meditation books I had read that the whole world out there is a reality of what you have inside you. If you have negativity and doubts inside you, that is what you're going to experience outside. That is the kind of people who will come to you because that is what you are attracting. See, you are a magnet and depends what is inside you. If you have positivity inside you, you're going to attract positive people and positive circumstances and success and wealth. And if you don't, if you have something else inside you, like fear, doubt, poverty, consciousness, then that is what you're going to attract. Believe me, everything's inside. So you have to change yourself. We are human beings. We are the highest creation of Allah, of God. So we have the capacity to change ourselves. And we should. We should come out of our comfort zone and do what we can to improve our lives and also to improve the lives of other people. The best thing about QNet is you are not the only one who's benefiting from this program. You are not the only one who's earning money and making abundance. Instead, you are also helping your downlines and you are helping your uplines. So that is a very noble cause, don't you think so? You are helping other people as well as helping yourself. And it's the same. It's not that you are getting more and somebody else is getting less, or the uplines are getting more. No, no, no. It's not like that at all. Everybody gets the same amount. That is a very noble cause. And that is very ethical also. Very nice. That is one thing which really attracted me. So this concept was really, really good for me, because I love helping people. I love helping people. You know, wherever I feel I see somebody who needs help, I would love to go out and help that person. So QNet is nothing to be afraid of, especially network marketing. It's nothing to be afraid of, nothing to be skeptical. Just clear yourself up from inside. And how would you clear yourself up from inside? Yes. Do meditations. Listen to very good meditations. One of the meditations I would suggest would be Create Wealth. And it's all over YouTube. Listen to those meditations and clear yourself up. And then clear up all the negative beliefs which you have inside you. Slowly and gradually, it won't happen in one day. Slowly and gradually, clear up all those beliefs, and then you will see that the positive beliefs will automatically seep in. And then you will be attracting a lot of people, and then you are on your way to success. That's what I did. And today I'm very, very happy that I joined QNet. I have my own hours. I work when I want to, and I socialize when I want to. Even the job is socializing. Even when I'm talking about QNet, it's like socializing, meeting more and more friends. Our family is growing. Our QNet family is growing by leaps and bounds. So friends, relatives, and all those who are watching me out there, do join QNet. Do yourself a favor. Find out about the credibility of QNet. Go to their site, find out, and you will see for yourself. Don't worry, there is nothing wrong in network marketing. It is a very successful industry. I am doing it, and I'm experiencing it, and I love every minute of my life. Thank you. More next time. Thank you very much.